on the planet?
Who's there? Keep your hands off my merchandise, unless you plan on paying for it. Annie? Little Annie? You sure sprouted, eh? And the Jedi! What do you know?
My mother. Where is she?
Me? I sold her years ago to a moisture farmer named Lars. Business is a business, eh?
Where is their farm?
Oh, long away from here. Head out to the desert and look for moisture evaporators. You'll find them.
Interesting. I'll keep this one.
You need to live somewhere? Safe travels, friend.
What a mess! This sand really does get everywhere.
3PO?
The Maker! Oh, Master Annie, I knew you would return.
Oh, and Lars. Is my mother here?
No, she's not. Shmi is my wife. She was about halfway home when they took her. A hunting party of Tusken Raiders.
Where are you going? To find my mother.
You may not like what you find out there, kid.
I don't care. I'm going to find my mother.
Master Anakin, I really do think you should...
Come on, 3PO. You're coming with me.
Oh, dear.
I sense something. This way. My mother is here. Somewhere. Mom?
Oh, dear.
Why couldn't I save her?
Anakin, my long-range transmitter has been knocked out. Retransmit this message to Coruscant. I have tracked the bounty hunter Jango Fett, first to a huge cloning facility on Camino, and then to the droid foundries on Geonosis. Count Dooku is forming a droid army here. Wait.
Anakin, stay where you are. Protect the Senator at all costs. We will deal with Count Dooku.
They'll never get there in time to save him. I'm going to help Obi-Wan. If you plan to protect me, you'll just have to come along.
Padme, you heard Master Windu. He gave me strict orders to stay here.
He gave you strict orders to protect me. Now let's go. Obi-Wan is in danger.
Oh my goodness, this place looks dangerous. You know, it is not too late to go back to the farm and...
That steam over there. Could that be the factory?
I'll show this to the council.
My, we're not going down there, are we?
Unless you'd rather try the front door. Now come on. Obi-Wan is down there somewhere. not interested in getting into a war here. Maybe I can find a diplomatic solution to this mess.
Wait. Call this a diplomatic solution?
I call it aggressive negotiations.
These conveyor belts will surely lead us to safety.
Well, there goes that plan.
Care to diplomatically solve this one?
With pleasure.
If they wanted our help, they would.
Great timing, you two. Can you start up those power cells?
I am afraid we are not programmed to use systems like this. Come on, Marshall. We must find another way to charge those power cells. Master Anakin, you will have to charge the last one.
Anakin, can you pass the charge between the cells?
Couldn't Obi-Wan go missing somewhere safe and quiet? This factory is huge. Dooku's droid army must be growing by the hour. Does he work here? Hey, I want to speak to your manager.
We aren't getting that back online from over here.
R2? You still there?
Machines building machines? Not the first. Back online for Master Anakin and Miss Padme. These ideas.
Danger. We have to get through this factory. Listen, can you get me up there?
Avoid that burning furnace.
There's that legendary Jedi wisdom.
I'm serious now. Where is your manager? Is he on break? This factory shut down. Nothing here is up to code. R2, 3PO. This way, come on. Padme, no!
Get off!
Miss Padme!
You're in trouble now.
We have to get Padme out of here, quick. See anything? Can you shut it down?
Am I gonna get kidnapped by Tusken Raiders to get a little help over here?
Don't move, Jedi. Take them away.
Missile propose. Emergency powers to the Supreme Chancellor.
As my first act with this new authority,
This is sorry.
I will create a grand army of the Republic to counter the increasing threats of the Separatists.
I will take what Jedi we have left and go to Geonosis and help Obi-Wan.
Visit I will. The cloners on Camino.
We should hurry and get to Geonosis. Obi-Wan may be in real trouble.
Looking to get across the planet? Rest whatever it is you use for legs and hop in one of them.
You'll never get enough transmissions from new data.